Step 1, remove this little clip here. Step 2, you want to turn these all the way like this, because you'll see there's a little slit down there. That's what allows you to push this through. So you should just be able to, with two hands it's much easier. Just wiggle this out. So like I said, the newer ones are easier, but if you are having trouble, you can use the pliers and kind of pry up on this plastic to pry the black plastic away from the center cap part, or the center of the center cap. And then once you get like one little thread past, then it's easy, and then you can separate them, and then you can see right there, kind of in the center of the screen, that's the area you want to be getting that little part past. Yes, the hardest parts of the whole ordeal, taking this out.